Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial and open up the discussion for what it takes to become a YouTube partner and join the partnership program that will allow you as a content creator to monetize all your videos and earn the ad revenue from the ads that are placed on your videos from Google AdSense. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, click on this. Let's now go to YouTube Studio. As you can see, I am currently in the process of becoming a YouTube partner. Step 1 done. Review the partner program terms. Step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. Done. Third step is they review the whole process and your channel before they let you in, and they also do send you an email which you can see now on screen. Hi, Computer Science Videos, your channel has passed the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months requirements of the YouTube partnership program. Your channel is not monetizing yet. However, in order to monetize, go to the monetization section, complete step 1, 2, 3 before they allow you to reside in the partnership program. Just a massive tip for you: you will not be able to apply for the partnership program until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months, last 365 days. If you try to apply, you will not see the apply button, but when you do apply and you have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours, you will be able to apply. You will see an apply button on the monetization section of your YouTube Studio account. And so we can go back to YouTube Studio before we quit. When you do start the process to become a partner, this is what you will see: done, in progress. After step 3 has been reviewed by the team at YouTube, they will let you reside in the partnership program, and then we will see a monetization section also, so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks to now.